Now let's come to the terminal, new terminal, and now we are starting this. So to start this, I want us to go to the browser, new tab, and search Expo, and this is the where we are. We open that, and then we follow this. We follow their document. You can see Expo and yes, an ecosystem of tools that help you develop, review, and deploy. So now we can just follow this link, and here we are. You can read more about this. There is introduction, there is a sidebar where you can use whatever you want to read more. But for now, let me just this. I'll copy this because I just want to install Expo. Then I come here and I can paste it here. You can type the paste. So you can copy and paste, and then you click arrow forward or arrow forward or arrow right to make sure it is like that. And in order to make it in this export to be installed in the current folder, you can use dot and forward slash, then you click enter. Now this will take a few seconds according to your network or internet speed, and then it will be